So Corey, on a scale of 1 to 10, how successful do you think we're gonna be?
I think it's feeling like a good day.
Doop-dee-dee. A doop-dee-dee. This sucks. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're up here just in the Kern River Valley. It seems like winter is right on the edge of happening here, and so we're gonna see if we can catch some trout. So we're on a little tributary of the Kern River right now, and I will be fishing the entire 20-mile section up here so I can put together a fishing report video for you. So make sure you check that out, and yeah, let's go see if we can find anything. I just floated right in front of 2 fish with this guy, and nothing. I know it's cold. Maybe they don't want to hit something that looks like that. So let's maybe get something a little brighter and something a little smaller. Well, I ended up going completely opposite because due to the power of editing magic, you haven't seen me trying after these guys for a little while, but I'm just trying to get a reaction now. You're so lethargic. The sun's not up. It's about 30 degrees outside. Water's cold, so maybe we have to wait for it to get a little warmer. I don't know. Well, that's not good. Foul hooked him, Corey. I foul hooked him. See if I can reach down there, unhook him. Must have went down between them. That is not how we want to hook them. Well, because I foul hooked that guy, I'm gonna punish myself. Tied on a mop fly. And that fish is gone. It always amazes me how fish can just disappear in such a little creek like this. See if I can get under these logs. I think they'll be. Yeah, I'm going in. No, I'm not. I made it. Now I feel like I'm not even fly fishing anymore. I don't even have a fly on anymore. Just had a guy come out for the old mop fly, but he just went right back under his log down there. Oh, he's back. Oh, flipping his tail. He's getting a little upset. Think that I'm in his space. Oh yeah. I don't think so again. They're coming up and looking for it, and I'm feeling them, and I'm just right. Like that's 2. Slung me into the tree. So while I do like catching fish, I don't like foul hooking them. Just feels dirty. Fish some of these undercuts right here. There we go. Oh, man. Try it again. There it is. There we go. Oh, and he slung me up in the tree. Okay. I don't know if he's going to take it a 3rd time. He just went for the ride of his life. Might have to change it up. They might think that mop fly is tainted now. Although they have very short-term memory. All right, I'm gonna come back to this because I don't feel like tying one on yet, but I know there's a fish in here that likes mop flies. So we'll come back for him in a little while. All right. It's always hard fishing upstream to downstream, but I just threw an indicator on and we're gonna drift through some holes. The good thing is we have plenty of overhead trees, so our hook sets are gonna suck. And we have a lot of leaves on the rock, so we're gonna die. That's cool. If I wasn't actively feeding fish, I'd be right here. Hey, I had a fish. Doop-dee-dee. A doop-dee-dee. This sucks. All right. There's a fish there, and I am not fast enough to set the hook. So, it is time for an indicator. There we go. Oh shit. Corey, you got your net? Mine's on the other side. Yeah. All right, I found out what they're hitting on.
Yeah, what you got?
Stonefly. Well, that's a nice, what? That's 15, 16 inches, huh? So slow and lethargic, dude. Water's cold. Well, we fished this little creek long enough, I think. I'm ready to go out and get to a place where we can actually make some casts and do some drifts. This feels like a good spot for some cane pole fishing in Cara. So let's head down to the main river.
5 hours later.
Well, I would like to tell you that we went to the river and we caught tons of fish, but in all reality, all we really did was catch a bunch of trees behind us, catch our bags a few times, but we made it to the brewery here in Kernville, and now we're gonna catch a buzz. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel and you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, cheers, Corey.
Cheers.